Hey guys, welcome to another Shark Nose video, and today I wanted to catch you up on all the work that I just completed rebuilding the entire suspension and rear end and brakes on my 1984 E24 M635. Just finished it last night, and we'll walk you through all the things that I did over the last sort of a month and a half. But so let's run through it real quickly. The things that you can see, of course, are all the powder coated and painted parts. But going through the list, you can see I have brand new CV axles that I installed both sides. A new fuel filter, and all brand new fuel hoses, braided fuel hoses with new constant tension clamps. And then I powder coated all the brackets and replaced every single fastener as well. So all the fasteners are all zinc plated, either grade 8.8 or 10.9. Then moving down, you can see the rear trailing arms. I cleaned those up and then painted them, and on the actual rear subframe, that was all powder coated. And then I installed the brand new Garagisty polyurethane bushings, and also installed new polyurethane bushings too in the subframe, in the rear trailing arms. And let's see, hard to see in the video, but you can sort of see the black there in the corner. So those are all new bushings. I have another video that shows you how to replace those trailing arm bushings. They were very challenging, but anyway, to get the old ones out, the new ones are easy to go in. So that's all done. Then painted the rear sway bar, all new sway bar end links. Went through the diff as well, and you can see that. New hangers for the exhaust, new dog bones. The rear flat brackets were all powder coated. So yeah, new Bushings B8s. And then I powder coated the springs, and then I also sanded, primed and painted the wheel wells. I also put in some new seam sealer as well in there, because the old one was starting to flake and come off. I dropped the tank, and then I painted that as well. You can see that. What else did I do? I also pressure washed and cleaned under the car. It was very grimy under here, so that's all nice and clean. Let's get some light. The heat shield for the exhaust was also powder coated, and you can see the new exhaust that is on the car that my friend Blake fabricated. It's a beautiful piece. This is a MagnaFlow straight through 3-inch muffler, lightweight muffler, concentric reducer, and then here is a 2-into-1 vibrant collector, and then you can see all the mandrels that go right to the header. So yeah, it's all V-band as well. So everything came out really good under here, guys. Pretty pleased with it. You can see the new brakes, and I'll show you the slotted and drill rotors that I got from Brake Performance. So those came out pretty good. And there's the wheel wells. So overall, good job. And then of course all brand new braided brake lines. In the rear, it's 4 pieces, so that's all in. So looking forward to driving the car, putting some miles on it. And everything was quite well worn out, so it'll be nice to drive the car with all the new pieces in it. So anyway, hope you like it. I'm gonna do the front now. That's where I'm at. So here's the front. I'm getting ready to tear into that. So here's a quick before, and this will all look just like the rear when I'm done with it. So hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, and more to come. Thanks.